How to copy and paste on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll guide you on how you can copy and paste on iPhone. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple. Now whether you want to copy any text or such, now with the latest AI features you can take the screenshots on your screen and you can let AI do the thing and you can select the text and copy it. But if you want to copy text from certain text or certain post, then you'll be seeing the text this way. Now all you gotta do is you can tap and hold on the text there, and you can see here if you double tap it'll select all and you'll get the option to cut, copy, paste. Simply copy it, and now to paste it, head into the empty area. Then you can either tap and hold or you can double tap there. Either way, tap and hold easier and tap on paste, and now it'll be pasted. So this is how you can copy and paste on iPhone. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues as well.